buy some milk?
Mom, I said go buy some milk. I wish I could teleport.
Well, we might just have a solution to your problem.
Who's that? Hi kid, we could just solve your problem with the help of a little something called quantum entanglement.
Entangled particles. They are minuscule particles, smaller than that, no, even smaller, there we go, of matter or energy, such as photons or electrons, that are somehow connected by an unseen force of communication that makes any action on one have an immediate effect on the other. This entanglement is caused by physical interaction, which particles do on a regular basis, making this the norm rather than the exception. The important part of this is that this undetectable bond exists despite whatever distance may be in between the particles. This prompted the atheistic Einstein to call it spooky action at a distance. A simple example would be two packets, one with a left glove and the other with a right. Without knowing which glove is in which packet, you pick a packet and open it to find the right glove. Immediately, you would know that the other contains the left glove, even without looking in the other packet. However, quantum laws state that particles exist in a superposition until observed. That is, they are in any state or position with varying probabilities until you measure them. In the glove case, the result was determined as soon as you picked a box, but in reality, it behaves more like two distant spinners, with the choices on each being either red or blue. If one of them lands on red, the other will definitely be blue.
But how can this make me teleport?
In an experiment done by scientists, two particles, A and B, were made to be entangled by passing a laser through both. Afterwards, B was sent to a faraway land via laser. The scientists took a particle with different properties, C, and got it to physically interact with A. Immediately, B became an exact replica of C, and C lost its properties, essentially teleporting C to that location that was B. Basically what happened was that A, when interacting with C, gained reverse properties of C, and by entanglement, B became the inverse of A, which is C. This is a form of teleportation that involves rapid information transfer between the two. Eventually, this technology could be applied to whole cells, and someday, humans.
Hashtag
Star Trek is real.